Hello, my dear friends. I know that you watch lot of videos with the purpose of learning English. And in these videos, you may see that lot of teachers teach you lot of English lessons on grammar, on vocabulary, and sentence structures. But I think it's no use only learning English structures and grammar and vocabulary without practicing it in your day to day life. Therefore, today I am going to ask 10 questions in this video. So, when I ask questions one by one, you try to give me suitable answers. Right. This is my first question. What is this? This is a book. What kind of book is this? This is a writing book. What is the color of this book? This book is orange in color. Who uses writing books? School going children use writing books. By the way, why do they use writing books? They use writing books to take down notes. Whose book is this? This is my daughter's book. Where is the book now? It is with me. The book is with me in my hand. How many books do you have? You may have a lot of books. Where do you buy books? You buy books at the bookshop, or you can say from the bookshop. How much is this book? This book is 200 rupees. So I ask you 10 questions. I hope you would have given me right answers. So you can watch this video again and try to ask the same questions and give suitable answers depending on the question. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again. Goodbye.